Ever wondered which operating system has the upper hand, Windows or Linux? Well, today we're going to dissect both these tech giants, comparing their security features and ease of use. So whether you're a tech aficionado or just someone who enjoys a smooth, user-friendly experience, this video is your guide to choosing the right operating system. First up, let's plunge into the security battleground. How do these systems measure up when it comes to protecting your data and privacy? Windows 11, with its advanced features such as sandboxing and built-in antivirus, certainly promises robust protection. However, its popularity also means it's a prime target for malware attacks. On the other side, we have Linux, whose open-source nature allows for quick community-driven security fixes. But remember, the security strength of Linux can vary based on the distro you choose. Next, let's talk about permissions. Windows 11 does allow for granular control, but navigating through settings can be a bit tricky for the less tech-savvy. Linux, on the other hand, requires more user involvement in managing permissions, but recent distros like Ubuntu have made this process more user-friendly. When it comes to updates, Windows 11 provides regular automatic updates to patch vulnerabilities, but sometimes these updates can lead to compatibility issues. Linux, depending on the distro, offers continuous updates or requires manual management, which can leave security gaps if neglected. Now let's shift gears and discuss ease of use. Windows 11 offers a familiar interface and extensive software compatibility, but its features can be a bit overwhelming for newcomers. Linux, while traditionally having a steeper learning curve, has made strides in user-friendliness with distros like Ubuntu, and it's lighter on resources. So, what's the verdict? If you're seeking security, both Windows 11 and Linux have their merits. Tech-savvy users may appreciate the customization and community support of Linux, while those new to the tech scene might prefer the familiar interface of Windows 11. For those prioritizing ease of use, Windows 11 offers a familiar environment with extensive software support, while Linux distros like Ubuntu are making strides to become more user-friendly. Tech-savvy users might appreciate the extreme customization and resource efficiency that Linux offers, even if it requires more initial setup and learning. But remember, security isn't a one-time setup. It's a journey that requires regular updates, strong passwords, and caution with your online activities, no matter what operating system you choose. So who comes out on top in the Windows versus Linux showdown? Well, it's all about what you value most. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences, so don't forget to drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, show us some love by hitting that like button, subscribing to our channel, and sharing this video with your friends. Until next time, stay safe and tech-savvy, and remember, the right operating system for you is the one that best fits your needs.